They're so neatly arranged, sitting near the chairs, nestled in the bedroom and up and down the stairs. Friends and memories, glossy 8x10s, graduations, weddings and verses, reminders of times well spent. In her bedroom it sat there, dust on it growing old, sitting on an old corner chair, a story waiting to be told, from a frame split in two, just like her childhood was. In one she's 5, the other she's 13, innocence defined and lost. Then there's the one of her and I, she's stuck in her cupboard door. The joy in that picture wasn't in her heart anymore. She took it down in cold desire just before she left that night. She said she was just cleaning, but I knew something wasn't right. Those were memories he relived when he looked into her window and stood there reliving something that's lost in the snow. That's me living in the past. The safety in those frames feels better than a future without her. It's the past all the same. Turned to walk away when the light caught his eye, a picture he'd never seen before. Now he wondered why the artist